Hi there, English Keeners. Today's video will show you how to answer some common job interview questions using the STAR method. The STAR method helps you give clear answers that show employers how you handle different situations at work. Whether you are an IT support person, an administrative assistant, or any job really, these tips will help you do well in your interview. Have you heard of the STAR method of responding to questions during a job interview? It's a way for you, the candidate, to tell a story about a time when you solved a problem at work. STAR stands for situation. What was happening? Task. What did you need to do? Action. What did you do to fix the problem? Result. What happened because of your actions? Now, let's look at some examples of common interview questions and answers using the STAR method. You will hear the question, and then there will be two sample answers for two different jobs. Question 1. Tell me about a time when you faced a challenge at work. Here's a simple answer for an IT support job.
In my last job, the company's network stopped working one day, and no one could check their emails or open files for 3 hours. I had to help fix this problem fast. First, I checked the system to see what was wrong. Then, I asked another team member to help me restart the network. Thanks to my quick action, we were able to fix the problem in under an hour, and everyone could get back to work.
Now let's listen to an answer for an administrative assistant job.
In my old job, my manager asked me to finish an important report by the end of the day, while still taking calls. I had a lot of other work to do. I decided to focus on the report first and asked a coworker to help me by taking calls and helping with some of the other tasks. Because of this, I was able to finish the report on time, and my manager was able to use it in an important meeting the next day.
Question 2. Describe a time when you worked as part of a team. Here is an IT support example on teamwork.
Last year, our company changed to a new software system, and I was part of the team that helped train everyone. I helped set up training sessions, made easy-to-read guides, and gave extra help to people who needed it. Because of our teamwork, the change to the new system went smoothly, and everyone learned how to use the new software in time for the start date.
Here is an example for an administrative assistant using teamwork.
I helped organize a big company event. My job was to talk to the caterers, arrange for the event space, and invite the guests. I worked with my team to make sure everyone had the right information. Because of our teamwork, the event was successful and everything went smoothly.
Question 3. Give me an example of how you handle tight deadlines. Let's see how an IT support person might answer this.
There was one time at my last job when a client's software kept crashing. It was really bad because they needed it fixed before an important presentation in 2 hours. I quickly checked the problem, found it was a memory issue, and worked with the software company to install a patch. Because of that, we were able to fix it in time for the client, and they were able to give their presentation without problems.
And now for an administrative assistant deadline example.
At my last job, I had to finish an urgent report for a meeting in just a few hours. I sat down and made a plan. I gathered all the information I needed and focused on the most important parts. Even though I'd had only a short time, I finished the report on time, and my manager was very happy with the result.
Why does the STAR method work so well for answering these kinds of job interview questions? Hopefully you can see from our examples that the STAR method helps you to explain a situation clearly, including describing what the situation was, what you did to help, and what the outcome was because of the actions you took. This helps employers understand both how you solve problems and also how you work with others. Okay. That's it for today's video on answering job interview questions using the STAR method. If you would like more questions to practice with, we have a full list in the description below that you can copy and use for practice. If you found value in today's topic, go ahead and subscribe for more tips on improving your English. And do let us know if you have had any experience with these kinds of questions. See you next time.